Alright, today we're going to look into a common problem that I'm experiencing with my Tiguan. This is a 2009 again. This stopped working. So it only works now in full-blown mode. But other than that, it doesn't work at all. There is actually a resistor that needs to be replaced in this case. I've already done the troubleshooting. The resistor is actually working for speed 1, 2, and 3. Speed 4 is a bypass, so you're basically sending power straight to the blower, so it's just blowing full steam and full speed. But when the resistor goes bad, 1, 2, and 3 no longer work, because that's what is controlled. These speeds are controlled by the resistor. And that resistor is actually located right underneath here. I'm gonna open the door and show you. So if you look under there, there it is, right there. And you might actually have a piece of trim that covers this area. Mine didn't, so it's gonna be a straight access to it. I can probably even do it now. In fact, I have the resistor, so I bought the replacement one off of Amazon. This was pretty inexpensive. It was about 20 bucks maybe. And it looks like this. If I can open it with one hand. It's a full assembly, so it's the resistor along with the bracket that was visible on my video just earlier. Let me just take it out. There we are. This is it. You see the white connector right here? This is the white connector that you find right there. So if you look at this here, this is it, right? So to replace this, we're gonna press on the tabs on the side here of the main connector. Actually, the whole thing just came loose, which is not supposed to be that way, but now it's in my hand. And the connector, the black connector, comes off, right? So I'm gonna set the phone down. I'm gonna press on both tabs on both sides here, and then pull on the connector, and it should come off. There we go. So now this is done. That's the old one. This is the new one. So I'm gonna plug this one back in. Bear with me here again. I'm putting the phone down because I can't. Oh, actually, this might work. So there are keys on the connector. You can't really go wrong. It's pretty straightforward. Push it in all the way until it clicks. It's not clicking in my case, but I think it's all the way in here. Make sure it's engaged all the way. And then let's test it out. And then I'll put it back in where it belongs. So, contact, it's off right now. And there we go. Just like that. That was a 5-minute fix, not even. So, my phone was upside down. Okay, so again, now 0. Test it out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so I hope this is helpful. Literally a 4-minute fix. Might be a little bit longer if you have to take the trim off, but yeah, I hope this helps. Follow and like and subscribe. Thanks guys. See you next time.